includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, Kane, Lake, and McHenry. A blizzard watch remains in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon. Timing: heavy snowfall will spread northeastward across the area midday Tuesday and continue through Tuesday night. As the snowfall from the storm system starts to wind down during Wednesday morning and early afternoon, lake effect snow will have developed on the Illinois side of the lake. Increasingly heavy and more concentrated lake effect snow will shift into far northwest Indiana during Wednesday afternoon and persist into Wednesday evening, before shifting further off to the east into southwest lower Michigan and north central Indiana. Accumulations. Total accumulations from Monday morning through Wednesday evening are expected to be in excess of 12 inches in north central Illinois and in excess of 18 inches over northeast and east central Illinois, as well as northwest Indiana. Local amounts in excess of 24 inches are possible in far northwest Indiana, depending on exactly where the lake effect snow band sets up and how persistent it is over any one location. Hazards: blizzard conditions with considerable blowing and drifting snow and frequent whiteout conditions. Impacts: nearly impossible travel conditions as snow will be accumulating at a rapid rate during the peak of the snowstorm Tuesday afternoon and night. Heavy lake effect snow in northwest Indiana later Wednesday and Wednesday evening will continue to snow travel there. A blizzard watch means there is a potential for falling and or blowing snow with strong winds and extremely poor visibilities. This can lead to whiteout conditions and make travel very dangerous.
The National Weather Service has replaced the blizzard watch with a blizzard warning for the entire Chicago area. The blizzard warning runs for 24 hours, from 3 p.m. Tuesday until 3 p.m. Wednesday. A blizzard warning means whiteout conditions are likely in urban areas due to a combination of snow and wind. Long-distance travel is expected to become nearly impossible with interstate road closures likely. All long-distance travel should be completed by noon Tuesday, or postponed until conditions improve late Wednesday or Thursday. Local travel will be extremely difficult, with secondary roads impassable at times due to snow drifts that could reach 3 to 4 feet.
The blizzard that has been anticipated has finally started. Snow is now falling hard across the entire area, and winds have picked up to 25 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts over 40 miles per hour in some areas. Travel conditions will deteriorate over the next few hours, and if you must travel, do it now. If you are slightly considering the weather is too bad to go anywhere, it probably is, so do not go unless it is absolutely necessary. Whiteout conditions are already being reported at several locations. These conditions are expected to intensify as they continue for the next 18 to 20 hours.
Transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency for Lake County, Illinois, because of life-backslash exclamation point left bracket 1 TRETNIG right bracket blizzard conditions. Roads across Lake County are closed to all traffic. Emergency responders are having difficulty reaching numerous stranded motorists. Driving will continue to be nearly impossible for the next several hours. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles may not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Run the vehicle 10 minutes per hour. Make sure your exhaust pipe is not snow-covered, and crack open the downwind window for ventilation. All resources are being used to reach stranded motorists. Please do not drive unless absolutely necessary. Doing so will put your life at risk. transmitted at the request of the Wisconsin Emergency Management Agency, Milwaukee, Sullivan, Wisconsin. Driving is extremely hazardous tonight on all roads in southern Wisconsin. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles may not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Run the vehicle 10 minutes per hour and crack a downwind window for ventilation. Message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency for Lake County, Illinois. Due to the blizzard last night, many roads across Lake County are impassable to traffic.